Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So, given the fact that the nights are very short in France, so it has been a few days that I miss my Fajr salah, of course unintentionally, and I used to even pray Qiyam al-Layl, but during the recent days, I'm not able to even wake up for my Fajr. And then during the day, I question myself, like what wrong I have done during the day, what sin I've committed, that Allah was displeased with me, and I was not even invited to offer tahajjud or Qiyam al-Layl. So, which means should I use so I will not miss even one Fajr prayer in my life? This is what that really make me more.
Sumayya, when do you go to bed?
I go to bed at almost 12:15 because I offer my Isha and then I go to bed.
Then what time is Isha prayer?
Isha is 11:45.
Okay. In this case, if this is happening frequently and you're unable to wake up for Fajr, Alhamdulillah, you have the permission and concession to combine Isha with Maghrib. So you pray Maghrib like 9:30, for example, and then afterwards you pray 4 rak'ah Isha and you go straight to bed. This would give you enough time to sleep, Alhamdulillah, and wake up maybe before Fajr for half an hour to do Qiyam al-Layl and Witr and pray Fajr on time. Make sure that you try your level best to fill up your stomach with water before going to bed, so that might help you to wake up, inshallah.